Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to download iTunes on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The iTunes app has got many great features, from using it as a music player to overall keeping you entertained, so it's a great app to go and have on your computer, and will guide you through how you can go and get it. So to go and get started, we need to head to the bottom of our computer and click on the search. If you didn't already know, there's an app called the Microsoft Store. This is essentially the App Store on your computer, so you should be able to go and see it in the list there. Otherwise you can go and type it in and open it up. Now you can go to the top and you want to go and type in iTunes like so, and we can go and search for it. Go and find iTunes. As you can see, here it is. You can scroll down here and go and read some information about it otherwise. Then press install at the top like so. Now it's going to go and get things ready. It will download and install it for you. You can sit back and relax. You can see that it's now finished, and what we can do is go and press open, and it's going to go and open up. As you can see here,